Hi, I'm Jean from Vega Helmet, and I'd like to tell you about our night train boot. Let me give you the 360 view of the night train boot, and then I'll tell you about its features. Starting at the front of the boot, there's a sturdy reinforced toe cap, a beefy shifter guard to keep the top leather of your boot looking nice for a long time, ankle protection on both the inside of your ankle and the outside, and a very sturdy external molded heel cup that provides stability to your foot. The sole is a sturdy rubber sole with good lugging, and the closure is via two leather straps that open up wide to make it easy to get in and out of this boot. Another excellent feature of this boot is that it comes in sizes from 8 to 15 for men, so even the biggest guys can enjoy a night out with the night train boot.